Well, today we've just left our little river house at Wat Yai on the Maeklong River, and we're travelling by tuk-tuk today down to the Maeklong Railway Market. Our purpose is to see the train come through the market and to the station and return. The train makes about 4 trips a day, return trips a day, and brings passengers down from Ban Lame to Maeklong and then returns back to Ban Lame. 4 trips a day. So the market closes down temporarily while the train comes through, and as soon as the train goes, all the awnings are down again and the market continues. In another 5 minutes we're going to have the Maeklong train come along here, and all these awnings will all be removed, and all the fruit and be pushed back for the train to come through. Then all the awnings come down again and the market continues. There we go. Make way for the train. There she comes. Not much room. Not much room. She just clears.
Behind the line, behind the line. Behind the
line. Not much room. So that's it, back to business. The train will be back in about another 10 minutes and the same thing happens again, all over.